So the most recent trials that have been conducted in smoldering were focused on high-risk smoldering, because we know that this population is the population really at risk of high risk of progression to myeloma. And so this is the patient population in which we have to concentrate. And the first randomized trial conducted in this population was done by the Spanish myeloma group almost 9 years ago, and we demonstrated that the early treatment with lenalidomide-dexemethasone delayed the progression to myeloma, and most importantly resulted into a significant benefit in terms of overall survival and at cost of a good safety profile. So this was the starting point to generate a lot of clinical trials in this population, and now there are more than 50 clinical trials currently ongoing in this high-risk smoldering myeloma population. Some of these new trials are based on lenalidomide-dexemethasone plus a new agent, monoclonal antibody like Elotuzumab, or proteasome inhibitors like Ixazomib or carfilzomib. Or even there is also an interesting trial evaluating daratumumab, monoclonal antibody targeting CD38 as single agent in high-risk smoldering. But there are another different type of trials that are ongoing in this population, for which the objective is to try to cure these patients. And one of these studies is being conducted by the Spanish myeloma group with induction, transplant, consolidation, and maintenance, so an intensive option of therapy. But again, the objective is much more aggressive because we plan to cure patients. And in line with this, in the US, Saji Kumar and Brian Dury are doing a similar study with KRD plus minus transplant, but plus the monoclonal antibody daratumumab.